My name is Dr. Maguzu. I'm a gynecologist from Tanzania. I have been here in Milan for almost 12 months now. So I came to Milan in September 2024 for course in reproductive medicine, the fellowship course in reproductive medicine for 1 year. So during the training, so many things have been interesting, and I have been trained for patient stimulation, I have been trained for egg pickup, I have been trained for surgical sperm retrieval, and I have been trained for embryo transfers. The training has been very nice to me. I have managed to assist more than 100 egg pickups, and I have managed to assist more than 60 embryo transfers, and I have managed to perform more than 100 ultrasound scans by myself after being trained from this Milann Academy. And also I have managed to assist more than 20 cases of surgical sperm retrieval. So to my side, the training has been very nice, and the trainers are very friendly. They are very well motivated. They'll train you to an extent you'll understand whatever the processes they are going through. So it has been a nice time for me to be here, and my sincere thanks to Milann administration and the doctors or trainers who has been training me around here. To mention the few, Dr. Shilpa to the Milann Whitefield, the center I was located on for almost the whole 12 months period, but also other trainers from Milann Kumara Park main branch, because I met them, like Dr. Shilpa Reddy and the rest. I cannot mention all of them. And on my side, I recommend anybody from wherever in the world, they can come to Milann Academy for reproductive medicine training and other courses that they are giving, because the training is very nice, it's very friendly. To an extent, they'll provide beyond what you expect. For example, in my case, I received to an extent I didn't expect. So the training has been beyond my expectations. So thank you very much, Milann. And it's my urge that you do the same to my fellow colleagues who comes to this center for training.